There are no sacred cows in the pursuit of justice on those who fleeced and defrauded the government of billions of pesos in the flood control project scam. An assurance Senate Blue Ribbon Chair Panfilo Lacson vowed to achieve in the resumption of his Senate oversight probe, with more discoveries popping up each day. Our Daniel Manalastas reports.
Senate Blue Ribbon Committee Chairperson Senator Panfilo Lacson revealed that he found insertions for Bulacan in the 2025 national budget amounting to 355 million pesos. But the biggest question is, who inserted this?
Pinacheck ko agad sa General Appropriations Act kung meron bang insertion na nagkakahalaga ng 355 million pesos na intended para sa Bulacan. And we found one. Meron talaga insertion na wala sa House version pero lumabas ito do sa after BICAM. So maliwanag na either sa Senate version or sa BICAM yun na insert.
Lacson, as a newly elected chair of the Blue Ribbon Committee, vowed that there will be no sacred cows in his investigation. This in light of the possibility that there might be lawmakers involved in this flood control mess.
Kung masagasaan, masagasaan. Walang dapat santoy. Kasi kung meron tayong pagtatakpan, bakit pa tayo nag-iimbestiga?
Kung may kasamahan po kayo, nandun sila, nagtatanong sila, nandun yung nag-aakusa sa kanila.
Blindfold approach, if you know what I mean.
He also confirmed they will delve into one construction company that was tagged by former DPWH District Engineer Bryce Hernandez. Lacson revealed that there were footage of one of its staff visiting the Senate last August 19.
Meron kaming video footage ng CCTV footage na dumalaw dito talaga yung WJ. Ang pangalan niya Mina, no? Ipapatawag namin yon. Pero ipapatawag namin para malaman natin kung kanino siya nagpunta, kaninong office. Whether or not staff ng Blue Ribbon yung pinuntahan o legislator yung pinuntahan, edi magpaliwanag yung kapwa senador kung siya ay napuntahan. Bakit nagpunta rito yung WJ?
Lacson also couldn't help but blast those being involved in this flood control scandal, as some of those involved have also been tagged involved in the casino gambling issue, losing millions of pesos.
Ang malas nila, mukhang may nakialam sa taas na nagbagyo ng 3 sunod-sunod, mukhang nagalit na si God para may divine intervention, para mabulgar lahat. Otherwise, tuloy-tuloy sila sa casino kung nagpatuloy ito. Para tayo mga
The Senate will continue its investigation next week. Daniel Manalastas from the National TV for a new and better Philippines.